Good evening, friends. Now let us discuss about how to save the environment. So, environment is a very big subject of understanding. So, to know the environment means you have to study the different subjects which are related to the living of a human being. So, we right now we want to know about how to save the environment. So, whatever the problems which are right now facing, either it is about the drinking water or the quality of the air which are used for the respiration, so that all problems are created due to the imbalance of the environment. Therefore, it is very important to know, to understand about how to save the environment from their imbalance. So the entire equilibrium of the ecosystem or environment is entirely disturbed because of the human activity, because of the overburden laid by the human being. Therefore, it is it is very important to know how to save the environment. To save the For saving the environment, you need not to join any kind of the big movement like Narmada Bachao Andolan or Chipko Andolan or any kind of the big movement. What is needed is to start your small action. Suppose you are going to garden for picnic purpose, then what we usually do, we are just throwing the bottles of the plastic. After drinking water, you used to throw the bottles in the open areas. So by such kind of your activity, there will be violating of the garden environment. There will be dirtiness spread in the garden. So instead of doing such kind of activity, you should carry your own bottles from the home. You should keep after emptying that water bottle. You should keep in your sack, or you should use the public garbage for disposal of that bottles or anything. By such kind of activity, you can save, or you can start your small movement. So if you are doing such kind of activity, then the peoples are watching of your activities, and they will think, they will analyze over your this activity, and they will start to doing such kind of activity which will helpful to keep our garden, our area clean and neat and tidy. So your one step is very important. Either it is a small or a big step, you should start your one activity or one small activity. So your one small activity will be the initialization of the big movement. So you should start to plant one tree for, on the occasion of your birthday or a very special occasion. If your family is having a certain kind of function, then you should uh, bring one plant, and you should uh, plant that in your garden area or in your parking area, so that it will become uh, a movement in future. So in by such kind of activity, you can save the environment. So you can use alternative options uh, to solve your daily problems. If you want to buy anything, then you usually we use the our motorcycle. Instead of motorcycle, you should go by walking, or you can use the bicycle in order to reduce the environmental pollution by the emission of the carbon monoxide from the silencer of our automobiles. So by such kind of activity, you can start your movement, your own movement, and that your small activity will become a part of a big moment. So by such kind of way you can able to save the environment and entirely the ecosystem.